I closed the windows on purpose. Because number one, I don't want to keep putting the neighbors' cars in the background. And number two, how often do you get to see Reilly?
I'm gonna put your jacket on the fireplace mantle for a second so it can dry.
Both Reilly and Cam are acting Meshuggah. And Reilly won't even let me get her harness off.
Well, they're wet and they want to dry off.
Hold on, I am gonna flip. How do I do this? I might have to, probably makes sense to get a separate video of Cam.
Sorry, I'm just trying to like brush her so she doesn't get all mad because this is when I know she gets mad.
Are you gonna let us take your stuff off, Ryan?
Once
I'll stop the camera if you let us take your stuff off.
I'm trying to make sure you don't get mad though, okay?
So you can hear all the chaos in the background. Oop.